with the C-130 Hercules and the P-3 Orion. So if you look to your right, you'll see these aircraft approaching now. That's look cool. Now we have the Orion brake to the right, the Hercules brake to the left, and the 757 pitch up. And the 757 is now going to position for its display. I've seen it a couple of times and it's a great display. We often hear of the Air Force regularly being all around the world and flying the aircraft all around the world. Where often the reason they're overseas is in support of our defence personnel. We're currently located in over 15 different countries around the world. From places in Australia to the United States, Iraq, Afghanistan, Solomon Islands, Bosnia and the Sinai and Syria. And in order to deploy and redeploy our people around the world, obviously we need transport aircraft. And this role is fulfilled by the C-130 Hercules and what is next to display, the brand new Boeing 757. Although this aircraft, just how quiet its engines are. First pass, the 757 is going to have its flap at about 20, position 20, and about 140 knots. At full power, its Rolls-Royce engines can produce over 40,000 pounds of thrust. Now, I'm told if you attach them to the side, each side of a Hercules, they could lift it vertically off the ground. The aircraft is being captained by the commanding officer of No. 40 Squadron based in Auckland, Wing Commander Tony Davies. And co-pilot is Lieutenant Craig Abella. So here comes the aircraft for its first pass. There's Tony powering up, left-hand making turn. Also on board, I understand we have the load master, Sergeant Kenny Murray, and the flight steward Jacobin Derwin Tyndall. As I said, 40 Squadron are based in Whanupā, and they fly not only the 757 but also the C-130 Hercules, which we'll be displaying later on. Both Tony and Craig are two pilots on board, were the first pilots that delivered the Air Force's 757 when they flew into Wellington on the 7th of May last year. And just last week we achieved quite a milestone. We completed over 1,000 hours of 757 operations. As the aircraft comes round, just lowering the gear and extending the flap. Incredible just how quiet it is. Both of the 757s were bought from an airline in the Netherlands, and the frames were built in 1993. And as mentioned, they enable the Air Force to meet its obligations worldwide in support of all our personnel stationed overseas. The maximum weight of the aircraft, if you're into facts and figures, is 116 tonnes. Although today the display is being conducted from these 70 tonnes. That's about the weight of 70 of the cars in the car park taking off together. Its maximum range is about 3,800 nautical miles. It's about from Auckland to Hawaii non-stop. Okay, the aircraft's now coming in for a low approach and overshoot in the landing configuration. So the gear's down, the flaps extended, they're coming in quite low and then powering up as it overshoots. Right-hand turn, correcting the gear. And if you were wondering, the 757 is 47 metres long and it has a wingspan of 38 metres. It can carry a payload of 23 tonnes. Places where the 757 has been since it arrived in the middle of last year include Scotland, Canada, United States, Japan, Korea, and It also took our Prime Minister and other Pacific heads to the Commonwealth Heads of Government meeting in Nigeria. It's now positioning for its final pass, a high-speed pass. An excellent photo opportunity, again, to get a picture of the aircraft, so make sure you've got your lens cap off. The aircraft will be doing in excess of 600 kilometres an hour. Now the thing to watch as the aircraft goes past, after it goes past it pitches up, and it's an impressive sight. It looks like it's almost going vertical, and the aircraft has enough power to actually accelerate in the climb. So here it comes in for its final pass, smoking along the runway. And watch the aircraft as it pitches up. Looks like it's almost going vertical.
It does, doesn't it?
Awesome sight. And at the top, Tony will just do a large bank turn to the left. Ladies and gentlemen, the Boeing 757.